Colts' big win.
And no one is probably celebrating harder than our own Melanie Michael. She joins us from Thunder Alley.
The
dancing shoes are on, friend.
Guys, oh my goodness, this day was incredible. Keith, to use your term, it was indeed thundertastic. The fans were so incredibly excited to be back at Amalie. It was like a family, seeing old friends. Everyone piled in, and they were thrilled to get the season started. Take a look. There's something special about coming home.
I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win.
Especially when it's the house that Cooper built.
Listen, during the summer, thunder has been striking the whole summer, and today lightning strikes. We're ready for it. It's going to be a great game. It's going to be a great season.
Lightning fans loved being back at Amalie. They tell us it feels like a family reunion.
We are back. We've been waiting for this since June. This is family. It's family.
We all love being back here at this arena. It brings everybody back together again after a summer of being off, which was really fun.
And now, once again, it's go time. Feeling that adrenaline when the Bolts score and the crowd goes wild. Somebody tell Lord Stanley it's time to come home to his Tampa Bay family.
We're going to get it this year. We will. It's fantastic. It's great. It's crowded. Go Bolts! Go Bolts!
Oh yes, go Bolts indeed. And there's dancing, singing, chanting, adrenaline, passion, energy, whatever you have. They loved it here tonight, guys. It really was. It was like the first day of school, going and seeing all your old friends, people welcoming you back. Not a frown in the house, all smiles, all goosebumps all night, especially that moment that they took the ice. And you guys know I was cheering for a certain player. Oh my, would that be this one right here? Chris, can we get a quick look? There he is, guys, right on the side of Thunder Alley. Victor Hedman, that's right. It was a great day all the way around. I know you guys enjoyed watching the game as well.
It was good. It was fun to watch on TV. It must have
really
been
fun.
spectacular in person. All right. Thank you, Mel.
Thundertastic?
Thundertastic, without a doubt.
Indeed. Melanie
Hashtag that.
Michael live at Thunder Alley for us tonight. Thank you.